Here we will see logical operators in JavaScript. Logical operators in JavaScript are used to perform logical operations on values and return either true or false. These operators are commonly used in decision-making statements like if or while loops to control the flow of the execution based on conditions. The logical operators are generally used with Boolean operands and return a Boolean value. There are basically three types of logical operators. First is AND, which evaluates operands and return true only if all are true. Then OR, which returns true even if one of the multiple operand is true. And NOT, which converts operator to Boolean and returns flipped value. First we'll see logical AND operator. It accepts multiple arguments and evaluates operands from left to right. The logical AND operator checks whether both operands are true. If both are true, the result is true, and if one or both operands are false, the result is false. General syntax is result equal to expression 1 and expression 2. For example, here we have defined x equal to 7 and y equal to 4, and if we check x less than 10 and y greater than 1, it will return true. And if we check x less than 10 and y less than 1, it will return false. Since value of y is 4, so y less than 1 is false value, so it will return false. Next is logical OR operator. The OR operator is opposite of the AND operator. The logical OR operator is used with two or more values, but it evaluates to true if any of the operand is true. So it only evaluates to false if both operands are false. General syntax is result equal to expression 1 or expression 2. For example, here we defined x equal to 7 and y equal to 4, and if we check x equal to 5 and y equal to 5, it will return false, since both the conditions are false. If we give x equal to 7 or y equal to 0, it will return true. Since value of x is 7, so one value is true, it will return true. If we give x equal to 0 or y equal to 4, it will also return true, and if we give x equal to 7 or y equal to 4, it will also return true. Next is logical NOT. It reverses the Boolean result of the operand. It converts the operand to Boolean type, that is true or false. This method is also known as negation. General syntax is result equal to not value. Here we can have only single argument. For example, if we assign x equal to 1 and if we give not x, it will return false.